Well, we all have a fond memory of old Kinetic DX. Now, years later, Kinetic Group has decided to reincarnate the Kinetic DX, but as an EV. To talk more about it, we have with us Mr. Ajinkya Firodia, who is the Managing Director and Vice Chairman of Kinetic Group. Thank you for joining us, Ajinkya, and congratulations on the launch. First of all, tell our viewers what drove you to reincarnate Kinetic DX, especially as an EV.
As you know that Kinetic in the 90s was a legend. It lived in the hearts of people. It made a difference in so many lives. I lived it myself in my college days. And then I thought that time has come that the legend is back and is reborn and as an electric. So that was the main inspiration, was my father and also my son, who said, why isn't it on the streets again?
Thank you so much, Ajinkya. Considering that you have launched a Kinetic DX as an EV, tell us what are the key features that the customers can look into with this EV.
There are many, but I'll tell you a quick few ones. As you can see, it has the metal body, and I think that we as Indians love the metal body scooter. The second and most important feature is that we have a LFP battery. LFP battery is a battery that lasts 3 to 4 times more than NMC battery. So, अपना battery 8-10 साल चलेगा, बाकी लोगों का 4-5 सालों में it'll be over. And third is a very beautiful feature over here called Easy Charge. When you switch on the bike and press a button, there will be a plug, and you pull the plug and charge your bike, and you pull it back and it goes back in. So you don't have to every day open your charger, idhar lagao, udhar lagao. So those are the 3-4 very important features that our bike has. Also, it has the largest under-seat storage space where 2 helmets can fit.
Thank you, Ajinkya. Given that, Kinetic DX had a cult following back in the 90s, what are your expectations with the launch, and what is the target customer base that with this EV?
So we are a new company, made from a heritage company. It's called Kinetic Watts and Volts. So abhi hum dealership lagaenge. Step by step we will grow. We are expecting the ramp up to be fast, but still in a step-by-step manner. Our target for the next 12 months is 40,000 units, for which we have opened bookings on our website, kineticev.in. Eventually, we want to be in the top 3.
Okay. Given that you want to be in the top 3, are you also targeting any market share with this new product?
I think in 3 years, if we have 350 dealers, we can target a market share of about 8 to 10%.
Okay. Ajinkya, given that, this is your first product by Kinetic Watts and Volts, do you also plan to scale up in international market as well?
Yes, the international market is very important, and this product has been designed keeping the international markets in time. EV is growing everywhere, including places like Algeria and Vietnam, but also Europe. So we will be opening those markets as well.
Okay. Thank you so much, Ajinkya. Given that, the global automotive industry is undergoing a very tumultuous time, we also have, rare earth magnet crisis, and which is impacting the global automotive industry, particularly two-wheeler segment. How do you plan to address this, given that, you have just entered the market?
So we are making the motor in our group company, Kinetic Communications Limited, and we have a technological collaboration. So from first day, we have made sure that we have no rare earths that are currently banned in our motors. So we should be good for the next 12 months.
Okay. Ajinkya, last question. How do you see electric two-wheeler market growing in India?
It's going to keep growing and keep growing. Right now we are at 10% penetration. Matlab 100 गाड़ी में से आज 10 EV है and 90 is still petrol. But the value is very much there. It's only, the price parity is only 20,000 rupees. Every day we are seeing the younger generation, older generation buying EV. So we believe that in next 5 to 10 years, the 100% market will be EV.
Thank you for joining Business Today.
Thank you.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.